Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Miss Wilia Sari SPD MBD and Miss Dina Sylvia Putri SPD MKN as an English lecturer. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Latifah. My name 230801031. I'm from class or number 9. In this presentation, I would like to talk about civil law in Italy. Italy is a country that adheres to a civil law system. The law developed and flowed in Middle Europe because it was adopted by continental European countries which originated from Roman law. Its law, with regulations or stats, are preferred. The Italian legal system is a state system of civil law, governed by codified law. The system of government takes the form of a parliamentary republic. The Italian legal system is based on the rules provided by the Civil Code, which regulates the main powers in the state. The pillars of the legal system in Italy consist of legislative power represented by the parliament, executive power represented by the government, and judicial power which has a special role in the system, in the sense that it cannot be subject to the legal power of other countries. The Italian Civil Code is divided as follows. Book 1, Articles 1 to 455, it's regulating matters relating to individuals and families. Book 2, Articles 456 to 809, it's regulating legal rights and procedures for succession. Book 3, Articles 810 to 1172, referring to property matters. Book 4, Obligations. Articles 1173 to 2059. Book 5, Employment, Articles 2060 to 2642. And last, Book 6, Articles 2643 to 2969. It regulates aspects related to the protection of rights. The judicial system in Italy. The judicial system in Italy consists of three main pillars: courts of first instance, court of second instance, and courts of third instance. In legal matters relating to civil law, the parties can apply to the court of first instance, justice of the peace. Cases of second instance can be dealt with in Italian courts or in high courts, while cases of third instance can be heard in the Supreme Court. Civil liability is based on the principle of burden of proof. A person who wants to obtain protection from a judge must prove the basis of his reasoning. In accordance with the principle of burden of proof, the parties are responsible for collecting and presenting evidence to the court. However, the court also has significant ex officio investigative powers to meet the needs of the case. In particular, it has general authority to order expert investigations, request information from public authorities, and request clarification from witnesses based solely on facts and evidence presented by the parties. Civil trials in Italy are generally not open to the public and cases filed are confidential. However, there are exceptions although they are rare, such as the final discussion of a case always open to the public. Decisions may be made public, for example, through publications on websites and newspapers where such publications may contribute to compensation for loss suffered by the prevailing party. The main parties in the proceedings: first, the plaintiff initiates the trial, states the dispute facts, and presents evidence supporting the claim. Second, defendants formalize objection and defense to the plaintiff's claims and can be counterclaims and evidence. Third, judge or panel of judges. The main role of the judge and legal counsel. The main role of the judge in the trials in Italy is governed by the dispositive principle, Principio Dispositivo. which states that the judge can only decide on the basis of the request formulated by the parties and must not exceed the limit of the request. In civil proceedings, the legal counsel or advocate represent, assist, and defend the client by filing relevant judicial deeds and achieve evidence gathered to support the claims and attending hearings. They have no right to interpret, witness, or in general interfere with the collection of evidence presented by the court. Cases. An example of a civil law case in Italy is a battle for child custody. Itabiran described a 6-year-old Israeli boy who was involved in an accident on a cable car. His family, including both parents, were killed. He was the only one who survived. The child has been at the center of a custody battle between his maternal grandparents in Israel and paternal relatives in Italy. Eventually, an Italian court granted custody of Ethan to Ayabirani court, the aunt of the father's family. The aunt is an Israeli-born doctor who lives in Italy. In this case, civil law in Italy also regulates child custody. When both parents die, parental responsibilities are withdrawn. So the court appointed a special guardian. The guardian takes care of the child, represents him or her in a civil proceeding, and administers the child assets. The special guardian is authorized to perform such special acts. That is all from me. Thank you for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.